Do you struggle to reach your daily protein intake? If so, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to incorporate enough protein into their diets, especially with busy schedules and the temptation of convenient but low-protein snacks. Protein is essential for muscle repair, energy, and overall health, making it crucial to find ways to boost your intake. Here's our countdown on the top 7 ways to sneak more protein into your day without drastically changing your eating habits. 7. Start your day right. One of the simplest ways to increase your protein intake is to start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Instead of reaching for sugary cereals or toast, opt for Greek yogurt, which packs about 10 grams of protein per serving. You can also add a scoop of protein powder to your morning smoothie or mix it into your oatmeal. Eggs are another fantastic option. They're versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways. Adding a sprinkle of cheese or some lean turkey slices to your scrambled eggs can further enhance the protein content. 6. Snack smartly. Snacking smartly is another effective strategy. Rather than munching on chips or cookies, choose snacks that are naturally high in protein. Nuts and seeds, like almonds or chia seeds, are not only protein-rich, but also provide healthy fats. A handful of nuts or a spoonful of nut butter can be a satisfying and nutritious snack. Protein bars can be a convenient on-the-go option, but it's important to choose those with minimal added sugars and artificial ingredients. 5. Enhance your meals. Incorporating protein into your meals doesn't have to be complicated. One easy method is to add beans and legumes to your dishes. These plant-based powerhouses are loaded with protein and can be added to soups, salads, or even pasta dishes. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are excellent choices that can boost the protein content of your meals. Additionally, using whole grains like quinoa instead of rice or pasta can add a significant protein punch to your diet. 4. Focus on lean proteins. When it comes to lunch and dinner, focus on incorporating lean meats, poultry, and fish. Chicken breast, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are all great sources of protein. If you're a seafood lover, salmon, tuna, and shrimp are not only high in protein, but also provide essential omega-3 fatty acids. For those following a plant-based diet, tofu, tempeh, and edamame are excellent sources of protein that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. 3. Don't forget dairy. Don't forget about dairy products, which are often overlooked sources of protein. Cottage cheese, for example, is an excellent high-protein snack or addition to meals. A serving of cottage cheese can contain over 20 grams of protein. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with fruits, or even use it as a topping for toast. Similarly, milk, especially skim or low-fat varieties, provides a good amount of protein and can be used in smoothies, cereals, or just as a refreshing drink. 2. Utilize protein-enriched products. Another creative way to add more protein to your diet is by using protein-enriched products. Nowadays, there are numerous options available, such as protein-enriched pasta, bread, and even protein-fortified pancake mixes. These products can seamlessly blend into your regular meals while boosting your protein intake. Additionally, incorporating protein powders into your cooking and baking can be an easy way to enhance the protein content of your favorite recipes, from muffins to pancakes. 1. Meal prep for success. Finally, consider the benefits of meal prepping. By preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure that each meal contains a sufficient amount of protein. This not only helps you stay on track with your protein intake, but also makes it easier to avoid unhealthy, low-protein options when you're pressed for time. Plan your meals around protein sources, and make sure to include a variety of options to keep your diet interesting and balanced. Reaching your daily protein goals doesn't have to be difficult. By making a few simple changes and being mindful of your food choices, you can easily sneak more protein into your day. Start with a protein-rich breakfast, choose high-protein snacks, and incorporate lean meats, dairy, and legumes into your meals. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to meeting your protein needs and supporting your overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.